What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. Here's what we're talking about in this video. I got something for the C6 Corvette. I got something for it. It's going to make us go fast, and I hope it should fix a problem that I'm having at the track with the nitrous. Let me show you what it is. We got some sticky ickies. We got some more sticky ickies for the C6 Corvette. Now, look at the meats on these. Look at the meats. We got some Mickey Thompson's 305 45 17s and some 26x6 skinnies. Now you're probably saying, how are you going to put skinnies on those? That's not going to work. Well, we got some 18x5 VMS wheels coming in the mail. They should be here next week. The matching wheels, front wheels to my drag pack. So we're going to turn it up a little bit. Now, are they any lighter than these? Probably a little bit, but not by much. Let's just be honest. Probably a little bit, not by much. But they're going to look good as hell on the car. At least I hope. Now, one of the things that I was saying earlier is these are 305 45 17s, which is basically a 27x28 tire, which is a larger diameter tire. As you remember before, when I tried that with the 275 50 17s, it kind of slowed me down, but that was when I was on stock power. I'm hoping with the nitrous we can push through the bogging at the line with the larger diameter tire. The main reason why I did it was I'm still having problems trying to get the nitrous set right to where it's like the 275 40 75s are really too small. So I'm revving too higher in the transmission. I'm hitting the limiter every time. I'm having to manually shift, which is slowing me down. So either way it go, I'm getting slowed down. But at least with the 27 by 27x7 tires, I'm thinking I shouldn't have to manually shift anymore, and I shouldn't be hitting the rev limiter because there's less revolutions and less RPMs in the same time span. Yeah. Anyway. So we hope these are going to work. Now, I also hope that these are going to fit up under there, which they should, because the 275 50 17s were 27x7s too, but they were not 305s. These are much wider. It should just be traction galore, traction galore. Also, the difference between these and my radials over there, if you can't see, those are street R's. These are street SS. From what I can tell, it's the same compound, so it should be good. Only thing is you have more of a tread on these than you do on these, and I think these are wore out, but I don't know. So you got more of a tread on these, so these should be safer on the highway if I get caught in the rain coming back from the track. So I'm hoping they should just be better all around. Another thing too, with the other ones, I had to run spacers on the back. Obviously, not spacer, wheel adapters. Obviously, I'm not doing that with these. So these should really fit just right up under the fender well. Let's kind of roll them up under there and see what it looks like, if I can. Ooh, nasty. These are the front tires. Shit, while we got them there, let's look at that. Front tires, actually a little bit smaller. Or basically, yeah, the front tires are a little bit smaller than what I have on in there, even though these are 26x6 and those are 25x5, I believe. But there's no tires in these, so it's gonna come out being the same. I mean, no air. So we're gonna be good. Now let's look at this on the back. Now this, on the other hand, this is gonna be a snug fest, just like it was before. So yeah, we may get a little bit rub, but like I said, these should sit up in the fender well and shouldn't hit the edge. The last ones were coming all out because I had to run the spacers. Keep saying spacers, the wheel adapters, to make it look right, because those wheels, the offset was jacked up. They weren't for Corvettes, but they worked if you use a wheel adapter. You could get them around the brakes. But these wheels, the VMS wheels, they are for Corvettes, and they sit where they need to sit. So I'm hoping that won't be an issue, and these end up sitting right at the edge underneath the fender well, because there's plenty of room up under there. But if I come out to the lip, probably gonna have to raise the back end up. Oh man, they are so meaty. I've been doing a lot of testing tune, but we're gonna stop doing testing tune as much and actually attend some events. I'm also thinking about, man, this is kicking my ass. I'm also thinking about turning it up a little bit to 600, another 50 shot to it. That'll bring me a little over 600 horsepower. And we're gonna see what that's gonna do. We're gonna see what that's gonna do. I'm ready. I'm ready to take y'all along with me. This your boy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.